In this video, I will show you how to export your contacts from ActiveCampaign. So to do this, just open up ActiveCampaign and click on the contact section here. Then just go to the contacts, and here you should see all of your contacts. Now in order to go and export all of your contacts at once, all you need to do is in the top right next to the import button, click on these three dots. From here, click on export. Now here you can choose what you want to export, so select fields to export, so in this case tags, the list, custom fields, accounts and scores. Then you can give the export a name, but you don't have to. Then simply click export. Now your export has started and a download will be available when the export is done, so click on this link to view the progress. So you can see it right here under exports. So you will now have this export. You can now simply click download. Now if you open this file up, you will now see I have this list right here, so in this case I only have the email and the date that this was created, but if you also have the first and last name and phone number, maybe even the user agent, organization, IP address and account, then all of that will show up right here. And in many places you can actually import contacts in a CSV file form. So that's what this is. So now you know how to export contacts in ActiveCampaign. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.